Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, buckle up because today we're diving deep into this killer Solana chart that's got everyone buzzing. Solana, or Sol as we call it, is one of those coins that's been on fire lately, and this snapshot from Binance is straight up electric. Picture this. The price is hovering at $219.13, up a solid 3.25% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour high of $219.79 and a low of $211.69. That's some serious volatility, but in the best way, showing real momentum without going off the rails. Look at that main candlestick chart on the daily timeframe. It's painting a picture of pure upward grind. From early July around $150, Sol's been climbing steadily, breaking through those key resistance levels like a boss. You see those green candles stacking up. That's buyers stepping in hard, pushing past the $200 mark and eyeing even higher. The volume's exploding too. 5.9 million Sol traded in 24 hours, worth over $1 billion in USD. That's not just noise. That's institutions and whales piling in, fueling this rally. And check the EMAs, the 7-period at $211.63, 25 at $201.74, all the way to the 200 at $172.96. They're all sloping up like a rocket launch. Price is riding above them all, screaming bullish trend. No wonder the RSI is chilling at 71.16. It's overbought territory, but in a bull market like this, that just means more fuel for the fire before any pullback. Down below, the MACD is crossing bullish with the DIF at 7.03, DEA at 6.28, and histogram popping positive at 0.75. Classic buy signal that's got traders salivating. Bollinger Bands are widening, showing the volatility's ramping up with price kissing the upper band at $219.79. SARS flipped bullish too, trailing just below at $141.94, and volumes averaging strong at 90, confirming the moves aren't fakeouts. This isn't some dead cat bounce. It's Solana flexing its speed and scalability, outpacing the competition while DeFi and NFTs on the network keep exploding. Now, zooming out to the bigger picture, Solana's not just a coin, it's a beast of a blockchain handling thousands of TPS without breaking a sweat. From that July low, it's up over 40%. And with a market cap pushing $119 billion, it's cemented as a top 5 player. But here's where it gets juicy. Price predictions. Short term, over the next week or two, I see Sol testing $235 easy if it holds above $211. Maybe even smashing $250 by end of September on that Fed rate cut hype. Looking further, analysts are calling for $400 highs by year-end 2025, driven by ETF approvals and ecosystem growth. Wallet Investor says up to $325 next year, but with alt season kicking in, don't be shocked if we hit $500. That's realistic upside, folks. Solana's tech is too good to ignore. And speaking of the market, let's talk big crypto news shaking things up right now. Bitcoin's dominating again, surging past $113K as traders bet on that Fed rate cut at the September 16th 17 meeting could pump liquidity right into alts like Sol. Ethereum's right there at $4,359, up 1.3%, with tokenized U.S. equities, filings from Nasdaq blending TradFi and crypto like never before. Oh, and get this. Bloomberg's forecasting Solana ETFs alongside Bitcoin and ETH by end of 2025 with a 95% approval shot. That's game-changing institutional money flowing in. Meanwhile, 8Co Holdings just announced a $250 million WorldCoin treasury play, sending their stock up 3,000%. Talk about meme magic meeting real adoption. Ant Group's tokenizing $8.4 billion in energy assets on blockchain. And El Salvador's stacking more gold alongside their BTC hoard. The whole market's up 1.3% today, cap at $3.96 trillion, with AI tokens rallying 14% and WorldCoin jumping 55%. September's looking bullish, but watch for CPI data on the 11th. Could spark fireworks.